Alright, so what we're going to do today is we're going to show you how to put cabinets in a room and dealing with projects in EasyCAD. So to do this you have to have downloaded the EasyCAD Pro Kitchen 3D under Table Saw or the EasyCAD Pro Kitchen 3D CNC under CNC Machine Software. Simply go to Files, select New Project, and hold down your Control key and select the cabinets you want to select. In this case I'm going to select these cabinets here. And then you press open. Okay, so we have our 4 cabinets. They're in the project. And now we're going to put these 4 cabinets in a room. To do that, select the position toolbar. And then for a bird's eye view, press down the camera button. Select our first cabinet, A1. And then to put it in the room, you can press Set Cabinet or you can right click with the mouse. To put your upper cabinet in, select it from the list. Upper 2-door A3. Right click and it puts it right there. Now suppose, actually looking at it right here, this cabinet needs to be 36. So you can do that while you're in the room. Select A1, press enter, type in 36, and there it is. So to put our next cabinet to A3, click on the 36 height, get our measurement arrows, and select upper. Alright, to set our other base cabinet over here, we can use this as the marker. Click it on 18 there and then select base GL, right click. Basically I want to put a copy of this cabinet over here. So the way you do that is basically you select the cabinet A3 and then you go here to Files, Save Cabinet File As, and just call it like 2 or A or B. Just give it another name there. Alright, now I have to add that to my project. So we go to Project and then we can click this little button right here, which is the same as up here. New project, add more cabinets. Yes, we're going to do that. Here it is right here. Open. Go back to the position toolbar. There it is right there. Get the measurement, put the cabinet in. There it is. Alright, let's size up A2 to fit in here with this 36 cabinet. Select it, press enter, type in 36. There you have it. While we're looking at this right here, to zoom this up, you would press your altitude right here. Go up or to go down. Okay, if you need to move a cabinet, you can do that like this. Simply click on it, click move, and then if you type in like a foot down to the right, B by 86, that moves it over a foot. The cabinets go to the wall that has the grid on it. So if you click the wall to change the grid, you have a room with 4 walls. Place this cabinet right here, and then we don't want it, we remove it. Click this wall, place the cabinet, remove it. The grid squares are 1 foot each, so if we put a cabinet in, and then if you want to move the cabinet, you use this control device up here, the side. So if you type in 12 inches, that's basically 12 inches from the left wall. To put the cabinet back, simply click here, type in 0, then it's up against the wall. Now if you want to put it over here, it works like this, measuring from the right wall to the right side of the cabinet. The cabinet goes over there. If you type in 12 inches, it's going to move that way. when you put in an upper cabinet, the program knows that it's an upper cabinet based on the depth of this cabinet and this value right here. Any cabinet that is 15 inches or less in depth will automatically elevate to this height right here, which is 90 inches from the floor to the top of that cabinet. So if we type in 96 right there, we put the cabinet all the way to the ceiling. When you change a cabinet's dimension that's in a room, say like A1, if we select it first and then we press enter, then we'll change that 48 to 36. When you do this, this does not change the width of the cabinet in your library. That remains the same. This just changes the cabinet in your project. Say you want to put an island cabinet in the room, basically in the center. All you have to do is basically pick the cabinet out of the project right here, add it to your project, island, go back to position, select it, right click to place the cabinet, then here's your rotate control, 45 degrees per click. You can actually change the 45 to 1 degree if you need to. Basically, just say we're putting these 3 cabinets in a room. Now if we want the cut list for these 3 cabinets, we just go to project toolbar and then click cut list. And this gives us all the parts for those 3 cabinets right here. When you have a project started and you go over here to the setup tab, you cannot get into your library. So simply just go to files and close your project, and then you can get in here and do what you got to do. When you come back to project, you can reopen it up right here, and then you have your project back. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll have some more videos to upload later.